It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hello folks, this is Aitanajha from InspiredWise.com, and today we are going to talk about the LG Xboom GO PK7 IPX5 water resistant speakers. So guys, let's first start with an unboxing for the same. These speakers come in this official packaging, and inside what you get is the speaker itself. You get the documentation etc. on the inside, along with the DC in cable for charging this, and they also come with AA batteries on the inside so that you can play the speakers without the DC power. That's something great. These speakers support aptX HD audio, which means that you can stream music in 24-bit quality. So if you have FLAC files or lossless audio, that's really great for you. These come with meridian audio sound, which means that there is options for clear vocal as well as clear bass, which enhances the overall sound quality when you are listening to your music. At the back there's a reset button, there's a power in and DC in along with the 3.5mm jack, and at the top there's the enhanced bass, clear vocal, microphone button, there's a plus minus volume button, Bluetooth pairing button, and a power button also. You have to double tap the power button in order to stop the power or stop the music. And if I talk about the overall weight of this speaker, it's just around 2.85 kilograms. At the top and the bottom there is the bass woofer for this one, which can be clearly seen vibrating whenever you are playing really loud music or something. These are very nice portable speakers, and they are weather resistant as well as splash resistant. It's IPX5 rated, which means that it can withstand splashes of water, but it can't withstand sand etc. So just make sure that you don't take it out in very dusty regions. If we talk about the lighting, it has beat lighting, but that lighting does not actually sync very well with the tracks that you are playing, but it does look good. It's a multicolored lighting setup, and you can touch the microphone control in order to activate Siri or Google Assistant on your smartphone, in order to make sure that the microphone on this one can be used for activating that assistant and then answering your questions, which is really good. The maximum volume on this one goes really loud, and the bass is definitely thumping. The best use case for something like this is to take it over to your gym, just play music at the maximum possible volume, and then just enjoy your workouts. Or maybe if you live somewhere closer to the beach, you just take it out to the beach and then enjoy the overall speaker experience. Apart from that, if I talk about few of the things, it's rated up to 22 hours of battery life, but I got fatigued within 6 to 7 hours of playing music at a loud volume. So that's something which I didn't get to personally test for a really long duration of time, but otherwise I would recommend you to use this on DC power, as the battery is something which dies within 10 hours plus or something like that. And it also depends upon what sort of volume you are playing your music on. Right now these speakers retail for a price of 15,000 plus rupees on Amazon.in. For such a price, it's a great product for people who are looking for portable speakers for parties etc., or somebody who's looking to invest in something like this which works with their music collection and has aptX HD audio. This is good for people like that. Otherwise, if you're somebody who just wants a normal Bluetooth speaker, you can go for something cheaper. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspired to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.